In today's video, I'll be making croissant waffles. I'll be using frozen croissant doughs today. You can find this at places like Costco. Once defrosted, place the dough on the waffle pan. You don't need to oil the pan since the butter will ooze out of the dough while cooking. Close the top pan and cook it on medium-low temp until the bottom side starts turning golden brown. Once the bottom side starts turning golden brown, flip and cook until both sides are golden brown. Once each sides are cooked to golden brown, take them out and place them on a serving plate. Drizzle them with some maple syrup and top it off with toppings of your choice. I used vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, and fruits. Thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.